Who's it?
She's gone missing. I can't get hold of her. Listen, she gets in touch with me. Lee?
Who's that?
Yeah. 10 minutes off with this care of that still, so why don't you go and give her a call? I'll look after Kim. I'll be back in a few minutes, yeah? We'll be fine.
Where's that microwave dog? Where's that microwave dog? Who's he? Who's he? Who's that? Who's that in the microwave? Get that lasagna. Get that lasagna.
I'll look after her.